Experiencing a frozen sync screen, no audio, or constant reboots in your Ford EcoSport? These issues often stem from software glitches, hardware faults, or connectivity problems. The most effective first steps are soft reboot, checking for updates, and inspecting connections. Step 1. Perform a soft reboot by holding the power button for 5 seconds. This restarts the system without data loss. Step 2. Check for over-the-air updates using the Ford Pass app or vehicle settings. Download the latest software to fix outdated maps or software versions. Step 3. Inspect connections by ensuring Bluetooth pairing is stable and checking speaker connections. If these steps don't resolve the problem, proceed to more advanced fixes. If basic troubleshooting fails, here are advanced solutions for Ford EcoSport SYNC issues. First, try a hard reset. Disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, then reconnect. This forces a full system reboot and can resolve persistent freezes or audio problems. Second, check the amplifier fuse. A blown fuse can cause audio loss. Inspect the fuse panel for any damaged fuses that need replacement. Third, for persistent issues especially involving CPU or hardware components, get a free diagnostic scan at a Ford dealership. This can identify underlying problems that require professional attention. If you are still having issues after these steps, you may need to replace or further diagnose the hardware, which should be left to a professional. Also, be aware of environmental factors like extreme heat, which can damage components. Consider using cooling fans in hot climates.